How to create decentralized and universal cryptocurrency wallet. Go to atomicwallet.io and download the latest version of the app. Click on the install file and go through the installation. On macOS, you need to open the DMG file, the virtual disk will open, and you just need to drag it to the application folder. When copied, you can eject the disk from your desktop and click on the Atomic Wallet app to launch it. Create the password to encrypt private data on your device. Get your mnemonic phrase and save it on 2 pieces of paper in 2 different places. Then click on Start Using Atomic button. And here you go! Now you can manage all of your cryptocurrency assets in one secure interface. Just send your assets to your Atomic address, withdraw it from any other external service, or import your private keys in the Settings tab. You can buy crypto with a bank card and exchange your assets with built-in exchange service. Your private keys are stored in an encrypted manner on your device and never leave it. You can add custom tokens to Atomic and participate in any airdrop with it. Claim AWC tokens by leaving an email in the Airdrop tab. Download the app now at atomicwallet.io and be your own bank.